Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel, Hannah Duck Goose. I dug in the dirt in the pond area with an excavator, and we hit water. Look at this. We found some water over here. Now you guys might consider this a bit dirty of water, but it's actually not. It's just the dirt and the water making it look dirty, but it's actually pretty clean. But yeah, I figured the ducks and geese would like to swim in this, so I'm gonna bring them over. Okay, the ducks and geese are here, but they're not really going in, so I'm gonna have to lure them in to tell them it's safe, because they don't like to climb in big holes like this. Okay, they won't go down there because they don't like this giant hole. Okay, Lewis went in first. Oh, here comes Benjamin. Woohoo! Go on, guys. Now, the pond isn't done yet. This is just part of it. This is the area where we found the water. So, Serena, what are you going to do? Are you going to go down there? Jemima doesn't seem interested, or Serena, just the boys. Yeah, they love this water. Yeah, and it's deep enough for them to actually swim in, too. Oh man, they love this. It's the circle. Okay. Oh, Benjamin got out. Better not be getting ready to chase me, because he already did that this morning. Oh, they both got out. Huh. Wonder why. I don't think they wanted to really swim too much, so I'm gonna end it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Leave a like and subscribe, and stay free.